The GSA refrigerated truck has a total size of 5.9 meters in length, 2.2 meters in width, and 3.3 meters in height. The box size is 4 meters long, 2 meters wide, and 2.2 meters high. The truck wheelbase is 3.7 meters, 100 kilowatt engine, 5-speed transmission, 7.00 vacuum tail, air brake, 120 liters fuel tank, 214-volt dual battery. Intelligent track control with steering wheel heating, heated rear view mirror, cruise control, power steering, central locking, electric doors and windows. The original domestically produced air conditioner can quickly reach -18 degrees. The cargo box is made of inner and outer fiberglass with an insulation board material of 8 cm in the middle. The rear of the box has double doors, and side doors can be installed on the sides. Bottom anti-slip aluminum plates, LED lighting inside the box, overall aluminum alloy AG wrapping, thinner steel corner wrapping.